welcome to all of you in a Study Campus online program. In the previous video of a strategy to crack civil service examination, we had discussed about some important things, some important points, some important do's and don'ts regarding this very tough, difficult and prestigious examination. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss some more things that is very important for your examination point of view, very important for your preparation point of view, and very important for your selection point of view. Getting my point? So one by one we discuss 3-4 things that is very important for your preparation. So first thing I am telling you, and that is very important, कि your strategy, your approach must be exam oriented, not subject oriented. Must be exam oriented and not subject oriented. Not subject oriented. You must note this point कि your preparation of the any subject, of the any topics like history, geography, economy, polity, you must prepare according to the requirement of exams. Exam oriented. You should not focus on the subject, because economy you have to study in the class 12th. It has to be studied. Economics in the BCom, economics in the BBA, economics in the MBA, economics in the many PCS, and economics also in IAS. So you have to develop an approach regarding the exam, not regarding the subject. You are not going to become an economist. You are not going to become a historian. You are not going to become a scientist. You are just going to become a civil servant. So you are going for serving the society. Your duty is to serve the people. You are just a very important link between the government and the public. You have to implement all the scheme, all the programs, all policies that is announced by the government of India, that is announced by the many state government to the public. Okay, so your role is different kind. That's why there is no need to become a scholar in any subject. So your approach must be exam oriented. You have to know the things कि हिस्ट्री से, इकोनॉमिक्स से, जो कि इकोनॉमी है, इसमें इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं है, इकोनॉमी है, ज्योग्राफी से, साइंस से, पॉलिटी से किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. बिकॉज हिस्ट्री इज वेरी वास्ट, पॉलिटी इज वेरी वास्ट, ज्योग्राफी इज वेरी वास्ट. सो you have to focus on the exam, not on the subject. Getting my point? So this is a very important thing that you follow. And I always seen कि students जो है वो books को पढ़ रहे हैं. I am telling you honestly, don't read 10 books for any subject. You read 1 or 2 books, 1 or 2 good books that is helpful for examination 5 times, 10 times. So reading 10 book is not important, but reading 1 book 5 times, 1 book 10 times is more important. So definitely every institute, every teacher, when they take class, they deliver class, they also suggest you कि भाई ये book important है, ये book इसके लिए important है. कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के जो स्टडी मटेरियल्स होते हैं, जो क्लास लेक्चर होते हैं, these are the very important things. So your approach must be exam oriented, not subject oriented. So this is the first and important thing that you have to follow. Second thing I am telling you, the very important thing, that is the practice. Second thing is the practice. Practice is very important for prelims and for mains. For both exam, you have to develop a practice approach. So practice is very important. Sometimes you know the things, but when we get the question, you are feeling difficulties, you are facing difficulties in the writing good answer or taking the correct answer. Okay, so this is only possible with the practice. So you have to make the strategy for the practice for the prelims and for the mains. For the prelims, you have to practice the question set. You have to join the test series, online test series, offline test series. In any issue, there are a lot of test series in the market. So test series is very important after completion of your course, because test series gives you the exact things that is important for the examination. Okay, and I am suggesting you कि टेस्ट जो आप दें वो एक ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट में दें जहां पे आपको फील आए कि हम प्रॉपर टेस्ट दे रहे हैं. एंड एवरी टेस्ट यू कंसीडर कि वो टेस्ट जो है हम आईएएस के एग्जाम में दे रहे हैं. टेस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं देखता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स को दे जस्ट वेरी केयरलेसली दे जस्ट कभी 100 क्वेश्चन में टेस्ट सीरीज कहीं से ले आए परचेज करके मार्केट से, या ऑनलाइन भी है कहीं पर, कभी 10 टेस्ट क्वेश्चन कर लिया, कभी 20 क्वेश्चन कर लिया, कभी 30 क्वेश्चन कर लिया और 3 दिन में एक टेस्ट सीरीज कर रहे हैं. इज वेस्टफुल, नथिंग, उसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं. टेस्ट सीरीज आपको एकदम एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के इन्वायरमेंट को क्रिएट करके करना है, एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू सेकंड थिंग. सो समझाएं कि आप घर में भी अपने रूम में आप किसी कमरे को बंद करके बना सकते हैं टेस्ट में. एंड 2 आवर्स मीन्स 2 आवर्स. मैम 2 आवर्स बैठिए टेबल चेयर पे एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. एंड सेकंड थिंग आई वाज टेलिंग कि यू शुड नॉट बॉदर अबाउट द न्यू क्वेश्चंस. आई ऑलवेज डिस्कस विद द स्टूडेंट्स. समटाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स कम टू मी और कहते हैं सर बड़ा बुरा हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है भाई? तो सर क्वेश्चंस हो ही नहीं रहे. 100 क्वेश्चन में 10 क्वेश्चन 20 क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पा रहे, कर ही नहीं पा रहे क्वेश्चन. मैं हमेशा उनको अप्रिशिएट करता हूं एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू पीपल, यू ऑलवेज प्रे कि हर टेस्ट सीरीज में ज्यादा से ज्यादा न्यू क्वेश्चंस मिले. यू शुड नॉट बॉदर अबाउट द न्यू क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज जितना ज्यादा न्यू क्वेश्चन टेस्ट सीरीज में मिलेगा उतना ही ओल्ड क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जामिनेशन में मिलेंगे. रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशन बिटवीन बोथ. यहां अगर रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन मिलने लगे टेस्ट सीरीज में, सो क्या फायदा उसका? दिस जस्ट यू फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल. ओके, आई एम सॉल्विंग द 70 क्वेश्चन, आई एम सॉल्विंग द 80 क्वेश्चन इन एवरी टेस्ट सीरीज. दिस इज नथिंग. If your preparation is very nice, then you get the things. But if sometimes you are not getting good marks, you are not getting good score, you are facing new question, you are getting new question, you should not worry about those things, because every new question gives you a lot of knowledge and that will be helpful for the examination. Getting my point? So for PT, you focus on the test series and always pray कि न्यू क्वेश्चन मुझे मिले. जितने न्यू क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे एग्जामिनेशन टेस्ट सीरीज में, उतने ही आपके रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन, ओल्ड क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे वहां पर. ओके, एंड समटाइम्स यू आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल इन द टेस्ट सीरीज, देन यू शुड नॉट बी हैप्पी. एंड समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल, so there is no need to bother, there is no need to any kind of worry. And कभी डिप्रेस मत होइए, उससे फ्रस्ट्रेट मत होइए कि आई एम नॉट डूइंग वेल हियर. बट दिस इज द जस्ट यू आर गेटिंग सम न्यू क्वेश्चन, गेटिंग अ क्वेश्चन, सो मस्ट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. सो फॉर पीटी टेस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, different kind of test series, and I am suggesting you कि before entering the examination hall, at least 25 test, full test is very important for you. At least 25 test. और अगर उसके जो सेक्शनल टेस्ट होते हैं हिस्ट्री के, ज्योग्राफी के, इकोनॉमी के, पॉलिटी के, इट्स ओके, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू 25 टेस्ट इज गुड नंबर. If you can, if you not, then 10 to 15 is okay, but 25 you are in very safe zone. Okay, so test is very important. And then about the mains. Mains is also writing skill. Time management is here also and here both. Time management is very important. Because sometimes you know the answer, but just because of lack of time, you not able to write or not able to solve here. So for mains and for PT, for both, time management is very important. And for mains, you have to, I discussed in the previous video, and I will make a separate video for the writing skill. So for the mains, you need to improve, you need to develop writing skill. That is very important. And here is also, you just try to write the appropriate answer in appropriate time. Appropriate answer, appropriate time. Getting my point? So time is very important because 3 hours is there and 20 questions, sometimes 14 question in some subject different होते हैं, तो उसका time मैंने बहुत important है. Getting my point? So always practice है. So you have to put hard practice for the prelims test series and for the mains test series. Here is also test series. And test series का मतलब ये होता है in the environment similar to examination hall. Test series not be casual. ये casual नहीं हो सकता है कि आप कभी कहीं बैठ के दे दिए test series. You have to create environment. If you are living in a city where there is so many offline test center is there, then you can join. Otherwise, you can make your home, you can make your room as a test center and you just feel the place like the examination hall. Getting my point? So this is the very important thing. Third things I am going to tell you. First thing, exam oriented. Second things, test, practice. And third things that is important for you people, that you must make weekly routine and don't follow the daily routine. Daily routine is not effective. Is not effective. You have to make the weekly routine. Weekly routine. Why I am telling you? Because sometimes I discuss with residents. They say कि सर हम रूटीन बनाते हैं 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours पढ़ने के बट फॉलो नहीं कर पाते. And from the very childhood, you just remember the things. When you are in school, you are in college, just remember the last page of your copy, of your rough copy, of your notebook. Last page of our notebook was dedicated for the daily routine. हम उसे बनाते थे 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. morning get up, 6:30 तक फ्रेश, 7 तक ब्रेकफास्ट, 7 to 9 क्लास पढ़ूंगी, फिर 9 से फिर लेकर के 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 p.m. तक हमारा रूटीन बनता था. And we never follow that particular daily routine 2 days, 3 days, more than 2 days, 3 days. Because we are human being. We are not a robot, we are not a computer कि हम daily routine follow करें. Someday we have birthday of family member or friends. Someday we have to go in marriage ceremony. Someday we are sick. Someday we have to college. Someday we have to go shopping. We are human beings, a lot of works. Someday guest came into the house. Getting my point? So just because of that, daily routine is not, you can say, follow. And अगर आप follow नहीं कर पाते हैं daily routine, then you feel depressed. You feel frustrated. अरे मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा. हम तो routine बनाते हैं, पढ़ ही नहीं पाते. 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours हम पढ़ ही नहीं पाते. 2 दिन पढ़ते हैं, थर्ड डे हम पढ़ नहीं पाते। तो इससे क्या होता है कि फ्रस्ट्रेशन डेवलप होता है, एंड दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर यू, दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर यू, आई एम टेलिंग यू। एंड नोबडी कैन फॉलो डेली रूटीन। हाँ, कॉलेज जाने में, ऑफिस जाने में हम लोग फॉलो कर लेते हैं, बट स्टडी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फॉलो। सो आई एम टेलिंग यू कि मेक वीकली रूटीन in terms of hours. In terms of hours, if you have ability to study 5 hours in a day, then you make the 7 into 5, it means 35 hours in a day मैं पढ़ लूँगा या पढ़ लूँगी। Someday there is some function in my family, so I was not able to study, but next day Saturday है, ज़्यादा पढ़ लेंगे। Someday we have to go college, someday we have to fill the forms, someday we have to go for any other place, so I was not able to study. Getting my point? So on a particular day, next day हम ज़्यादा पढ़ लेंगे, so we need a dose. So you just make the weekly strategy, we just make the weekly routine, और जो डेली रूटीन आप बनाते हैं उसी को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करके उतना आवर आपको पढ़ना है वीक में। एंड आई अगेन आल्सो सजेस्टिंग यू कि डोंट सेट द टारगेट हायर, सेट द टारगेट लोएस्ट, दैट यू कैन स्टडी इजीली। जितना मिनिमम पढ़ सकते हैं वही टारगेट रखिए। यू डोंट फॉलो टेंडेंसी ऑफ द अरे हम 50 आवर सेट करेंगे टारगेट तो 40 आवर पढ़ ही लेंगे। This is a wrong strategy. I am telling you honestly. You set the target lowest. If you have ability to study 30 hours, you set the target of 25 hours. And if you study 25 hours, so next week you will feel comfortable. And you will be self-motivated. Okay, now I am doing well. Now I am on right path. 25 hours पर इस hour 30 hours पढ़ूंगा या पढ़ूंगी। Okay, so always set the target lowest that you can achieve easily. Don't follow the strategy कि हम इतना लंबा टारगेट रखेंगे तो इतना तो फॉलो करेंगे। This is the wrong strategy, very traditional old strategy. Because that strategy sometimes demotivate you. You set the target 50 hours and not fulfill the target, you not achieve the target, then you will feel demotivated. You feel frustrated कि मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, रे मैं पढ़ ही नहीं पाता हूं। So always set the target smaller, achievable, and that will motivate you at larger context. Okay, so this is the very important. And next thing, monthly routine, monthly target. One, you have to make the weekly target. Weekly in the terms of hour and monthly in terms of topics, in terms of subject. In this month, I have to finish the NCERT book of class 8, class 9th, the NCERT book of history from class 6 to class 10th, the NCERT book of geography from class 11 to 12th. Getting my point? So this is very important. So weekly target in terms of hours and monthly targets in terms of subject, in terms of topics, because these things regularly evaluate you people. आप बार बार उसको evaluate, अच्छा मैं कहाँ था और मैं कहाँ पहुँचा हूँ। So you don't study in dark, सिर्फ पढ़ते जा रहे हैं। So regular evaluation of your preparation is very important, and you can evaluate regularly in terms of hour weekly and in terms of subject, in terms of topic monthly. So this is very important for any aspirants, for any candidates, I am telling you. Okay, so the first thing I told you कि exam oriented, your preparation must be exam oriented. Every subject you study, you read in the terms of the requirement of the exams. Second thing I told you कि make practice as much as you can for prelims and for mains. online, offline, whatever, as much as you can. Getting my point? And third things, daily routine is not acceptable. You must make weekly routine in terms of hours and monthly routine in terms of topic or in terms of subject. So these are the important things that you have to follow during the preparation. I am telling you very precise. Okay, so because every prelims, mains, interview, we have a separate video for those things. But here I am just telling you in precise what you have to do. For me, you are just beginners. So I am treating you as you beginners. And this is the first, second video of to you people. So I am just getting to interact with you people. So here you just start with the things. And then we'll discuss the other things. Okay. Now the next thing and last thing that I am sharing with you people, that is the motivation. Motivation. Okay. So motivation is very important thing. Very important thing. Because the exam is very tough. The goal is very far. There are so many people near to you. They always demotivate you. अरे उसने इतना किया, उसका नहीं हुआ. वो यहाँ कोचिंग किया, उसका नहीं हुआ. इतना पढ़ता था, उसका नहीं हुआ. So sometimes the people near to you in your neighborhood, they always demotivate you. You are right, not wrong path. You are not on right path. छोड़ दो, कोई जॉब कर लो. 2 साल से कर रहे हो, नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, so sometimes you face lot of things, lot of problems, and the process is very lengthy. 1 साल तो प्रीलिम से लेकर रिजल्ट आने तक लग जाता है. When you enter in the PT, और अगर पास होते गए तब भी आपका 1 year एटलीस्ट लगता है. Around 1 year, not more than 1 year. Okay, so you face difficulties. So here so many situations that demotivates you. So I am telling you, you have to motivate yourself. You have to motivate yourself. Look, there are 2 sources of motivation. There are 2 sources of motivation. One is external and other is internal. One is external, other is internal. External source means reading a book, watching a YouTube video, reading an interview of any successful candidates, watching the seminar on the YouTube's, lecture of any toppers or any successful candidates. So these are the story of great personality. Okay, so these things are the external. So these are the external source of motivation. So I am telling you, you take the external source for motivation, but external source of motivation are not long lasting. ये जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं. आपने YouTube वीडियो देखा, आपने कोई स्टोरी पढ़ी, आपने कोई मैगजीन में इंटरव्यू पढ़ा, you motivated on that particular time. But after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, the intensity of that motivation decreases. Honestly decreases. You कई बार आपने फेस भी किया होगा. किसी से बात करते हैं बड़ा जोश आता है, but sometimes after some times the intensity, उसका impact जो है वो क्या होता है, कम हो जाता है. This is the human nature. Getting my point? So you try to develop the internal source of motivation, because internal source of motivation is long lasting. That come from your inside, that come from your inner side. Getting my point? So internal source of motivation is very important for civil service aspirants, because the goal is very far, the competition is very tough, the preparation is very complicated, very difficult. So internal source of motivation is very important. And for the internal source of motivation, I am telling you a small 1-2 things that is very important for you people. How can you develop the internal source of motivation? That is very important. Okay, so internal source of motivation, the first thing is dream. Sapne. Dream is very important. Dream is very important. So you just I am telling you कि whenever you feel demotivated, whenever you feel frustrated, whenever you feel कि मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, getting my point? जब भी आप पढ़ने मन नहीं लग रहा है आपका कई दिनों से, जब भी आप पढ़ने बैठ रहे हैं, that time dream is very important. I am telling you, you must just do one thing before going to start the study, or when you facing some problem, when you feeling demotivated, when you feeling frustrated, just close your eyes for 5 or 10 seconds. Just close your eyes. This is I am telling you self-motivation. Just close your eyes for 5 to 10 seconds and just imagine that today the UPSC published the final result of IAS and PCS exams. Just imagine, and just imagine that I am searching my roll number on my mobile or laptop on the upsc.gov.in. Result has been published, and there is my roll number. You just imagine the moment when the result is published and there is your roll number. You just imagine the moment कि after selection आपकी family का, आपके friend circle में, आपके neighborhood में कितना celebration हो रहा है. How the people think about you. कितने लोग आपके praise कर रहे हैं, कितने लोग आपके appreciate कर रहे हैं कि मैं जानता था पढ़ने में अच्छा था. Getting my point? So, and after the 5-10 seconds, you just open the eyes and then start the study, and I can bet, I can challenge you, जो चीजें आप 3 आवर में पढ़ते, जो चीजें आप 3 आवर में याद करते, रिमेंबर करते, उसको आप 2 आवर में कर लोगे, even less than 2 आवर में कर लोगे, because आपके अंदर से सेल्फ मोटिवेशन हुआ और आपके अंदर एनर्जी जनरेट हुई. ओके, सो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तभी तो कलाम ने भी कहा था, हमारे राष्ट्रपति प्रेसिडेंट जो हमारे इंडिया के थे, कि सपने देखो, और सपने वो कहा भी जाता है, सपने रात में, सपने दिन में देखो, और सपने वो जो सोने न दे. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? So these are the very important things that you have to do for the self motivation. And the next thing I am telling you, last thing, that is that you must write on a white sheet one statement, that is yes I can. Yes I can. और जहां भी आप पढ़ते हैं, जो आपका स्टडी रूम है, आपका टेबल है, चेयर है, बेड है, वहां पे आप इसको व्हाइट शीट पर लिख करके इसको जस्ट स्टिक कर दें, चिपका दें. यस आई कैन. Whenever you feel demotivated, whenever you feel little bit frustration, whenever you feel little bit depression, yes I can. Yes I can. Yes I can. In 3 or 4 times, if you do yes I can, a positive energy come in your sight, come your inside, and that is very helpful for your preparation point of view and for your selection point of view. So self motivation is very important, and that is the dream. You must see the moment when the result has been published. And the second thing, yes I can. This is the moon mantra for the UPSC aspirant. Yes I can. Yes I can. Yes I can. Whenever you feel little bit demoralized, whenever you feel little bit frustration. Getting my point? So these are the important things that is very important for your preparation point of view, because your goal is very far, your target is very tough, huge competition is there, so you have to follow these strategies. I am not telling कि यही सारी strategy और सारे स्टूडेंट इसी strategy को follow करके selection होता है, but these are the standard things that we need to follow. Okay, so in this video till here, and in next video we'll discuss some different issue, some different thing like that. Okay, thank you for watching this video.